I can officially say that I have been catfished and buy a piece of furniture. I brought this thing home for $60 and it was the first time I had ever seen an old radio console with drawers like this. The metal slides had me puzzled. I figured it was just a unique piece, so I continued as normal by giving it a good clean and removing the hardware. For this flip, I ended up using HART's random Orbital Sander. I wish I had tried a battery operated sander sooner because I'm not sure I'll ever go back to a corded sander. It was amazing and there was one less cord to trip over. I also used my HART multi-tool with the sander attachment to get into all the hard to reach places. And for a stain, I applied one coat of this raw umber glaze and wiped off any excess. I was so confused because the stain took so much nicer on the top versus the drawers, and that's when it all clicked. This piece used to have a TV in it, like this one right here. So someone must have taken out the TV and installed these DIY plywood beadboard drawers. Kind of genius. Once I applied a few coats of wipe-on poly, the transformation was complete. Now here's the before and here's the after. I personally love the contrast. If I had to do it over, I'd probably put some walnut veneer on the drawers to have it exactly match the top, but overall I think it looks pretty good. Now I just need to figure out how to get the stereo to work, but that's a problem for another day, so be sure to check the caption for all the step-by-step details.